Welcome to our countdown of the top 10 most beautiful cities in Greece. I'm excited to be your guide on this journey through the cradle of Western civilization, a land of ancient ruins, sun-kissed islands, and delicious cuisine. Get ready to explore iconic cities, each with its own unique charm and must-see attractions. From the bustling streets of Athens to the tranquil beaches of Corfu, we'll uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Greece a traveler's paradise. So, grab your travel journal, put on your comfy shoes, and let's dive into the magic of Greece together. Our first stop takes us to Athens, the historical heart of Greece. This vibrant city seamlessly blends ancient wonders with modern energy. Imagine standing before the iconic Acropolis, crowned by the majestic Parthenon. These ancient stones whisper stories of democracy, philosophy, and the very foundation of Western civilization. As the sun sets, wander through the Plaka neighborhood, a charming labyrinth of narrow streets lined with tavernas, serving up mouth-watering souvlaki and moussaka. This is the perfect place to soak up the lively atmosphere and enjoy a taste of authentic Greek culture. Don't miss the ancient Agora, a bustling marketplace in ancient times, or the Temple of Olympian Zeus, a colossal reminder of the city's powerful past. Athens is a city that will stay with you long after you've said yasses. Next, we journey north to Thessaloniki, Greece's second largest city. Thessaloniki offers a captivating blend of Byzantine and Ottoman influences. Start your exploration at the White Tower, a symbol of the city. Climb to the top for panoramic views. Nearby is the Rotunda, a beautifully preserved Roman structure. Step inside to admire its intricate mosaics. No trip is complete without an evening promenade along Aristoteles Square. Enjoy a coffee or meal while soaking up the lively atmosphere. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer beauty of Santorini, a volcanic island that embodies the quintessential Greek island dream. Whitewashed villages cling to dramatic cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. The island's most iconic site is the caldera, a submerged volcanic crater that creates a stunning natural harbor. Take a boat trip to the caldera's center and marvel at the volcanic islets, or relax on the red and black volcanic beaches that fringe the island. Don't miss the village of Oya, perched high above the caldera. Here you can wander through narrow cobblestone streets, browse charming boutiques, and witness the most spectacular sunsets imaginable. Whether you're seeking romance, adventure, or simply breathtaking beauty, Santorini is an island that will leave a lasting impression. Get ready to experience the cosmopolitan charm of Mykonos, an island known for its vibrant nightlife, chic boutiques, and picture-perfect beaches. As you wander through Mykonos town, be sure to capture a photo of the iconic windmills standing proudly on the hillside. These windmills are a symbol of the island's past and offer stunning views over the Aegean Sea. Explore the narrow, winding streets of Little Venice, a charming neighborhood where houses perch right on the water's edge. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at a waterfront restaurant, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere. As the sun sets, Mykonos transforms into a vibrant party island. Dance the night away at a beach club, or enjoy a cocktail at one of the many stylish bars that line the streets. Step back in time on the island of Rhodes, home to a remarkably well-preserved medieval old town. This UNESCO World Heritage Site blends ancient history and medieval charm. Imagine knights patrolling the palace of the Grand Master. Stroll along the Street of the Knights, lined with Gothic buildings. Visit the Archaeological Museum to delve into the island's past. Our journey takes us to Chania, a captivating city on the island of Crete. With its charming Venetian harbour, atmospheric old town, and proximity to stunning natural landscapes, Chania is a feast for the senses. Stroll along the harbour front, lined with colourful fishing boats and waterfront tavernas. Admire the Venetian lighthouse, a symbol of the city, and imagine the bustling maritime trade of centuries past. Get lost in the labyrinthine streets of the old town, where Venetian and Ottoman architecture blend seamlessly. Discover hidden courtyards, browse artisan workshops, and savor the aroma of freshly baked pastries. For a taste of adventure, embark on a hike through the Samaria Gorge, one of Europe's longest gorges. This challenging but rewarding hike takes you through stunning natural landscapes, ending at the Libyan Sea. Prepare to be charmed by Nafplio, a romantic seaside town nestled on the Peloponnese Peninsula. With its Venetian architecture, charming streets, and stunning sea views, Nafplio is a perfect destination for a relaxing getaway. Explore the Palamidi Fortress, a magnificent Venetian fortress perched on a hilltop overlooking the town. The climb to the top is rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Nafplio and the surrounding coastline. Take a boat trip to the Borzi Castle, a small island fortress located in the harbour. This picturesque castle once served as a prison and now houses a museum. Wander through the narrow, winding streets of the old town, lined with colourful houses adorned with bougainvillea. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at a traditional taverna or browse the unique shops and boutiques. Our journey takes us to Corfu, an island known for its lush greenery, crystal-clear waters, and Venetian charm. Often called the Emerald Isle, Corfu offers a captivating blend of natural beauty, history, and culture. Explore the old fortress, a magnificent Venetian fortress that dominates the skyline of Corfu town. Wander through the fortress's ramparts, admire the panoramic views, and delve into the island's rich history. Take a stroll along the Liston Promenade, a charming pedestrian street lined with cafes and Venetian-era buildings. Enjoy a coffee or a gelato while watching the world go by. Escape to one of Corfu's many beautiful beaches where you can relax on golden sands, swim in turquoise waters, or try your hand at water sports. Our next stop takes us to Heraklion, the capital of Crete, and a gateway to the fascinating world of the Minoans, an ancient civilization that flourished on the island thousands of years ago. Step back in time at the Knossos Palace, a vast archaeological site that was once the center of Minoan civilization. Explore the palace's labyrinthine corridors, admire the colorful frescoes, and imagine the grandeur of this ancient culture. Delve deeper into Minoan history at the Heraklion Archaeological Museum, home to an impressive collection of artifacts from Knossos and other Minoan sites. Admire the intricate jewelry, pottery, and sculptures and gain a deeper understanding of this remarkable civilization. Take a walk along the Venetian walls, which once protected the city from invaders. Enjoy panoramic views of Heraklion and the Aegean Sea and imagine the city's tumultuous past. Our final destination takes us to Patras, a vibrant city located on the Peloponnese Peninsula. Known for its lively carnival celebrations, impressive bridge, and historic landmarks, Patras offers a unique blend of old and new. Marvel at the Rio Antirio Bridge, an engineering marvel that connects the Peloponnese Peninsula to mainland Greece. This iconic bridge is a symbol of modern Greece and offers stunning views of the Corinthian Gulf. Explore the Patras Castle, a well-preserved Byzantine fortress that overlooks the city. Wander through the castle's ramparts, enjoy panoramic views, and learn about its role in protecting Patras throughout history. Experience the vibrant energy of the Patras Carnival, one of the largest and most colourful carnival celebrations in Greece. Join the lively parades, admire the elaborate floats and costumes, and soak up the festive atmosphere. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the 10 most beautiful cities in Greece. From ancient ruins to sun-kissed beaches, charming villages to bustling cities, Greece truly has something to offer every traveller. If you're planning a trip to Greece, be sure to add these stunning cities to your itinerary. You won't be disappointed. And if you're dreaming of future adventures, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Thanks for joining me on this unforgettable journey through Greece. Safe travels.